guys, so recently I've been loving these breakfast smoothie bowls, and I especially love to eat one of these after I do a workout. This is the one I've been liking lately, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I've grabbed my blender and I'm adding 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of kale, 1 kiwi, half a banana, half of an avocado, 1 tablespoon of honey, and the last ingredient is 1 scoop of water lentils, and this is from Real Source, and this is something you could actually put in any of your favorite smoothie recipes. All you do is blend it. You can also add this to any of your baking recipes. The products from Real Source are also vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, and also non-GMO, and they're even kosher. This plant protein is a complete superfood for your daily nutrition. It has a high protein content, but also very high in amino acid profile, minerals, vitamins, and fiber, which makes Real Source's products a true superfood for a daily, well-rounded diet. But all I've done now is just blended up my ingredients, and I'm just going to pour this smoothie mixture into a bowl. And I think this is the most fun part, is adding the toppings. So I have some chia seeds, I have the other half of a banana, I've just sliced it up. I'm gonna throw on top some raspberries, blueberries, some blackberries, and also some granola for some crunch. And this is what the smoothie bowl looks like now. I really love this recipe. I think you guys will too. And definitely check out the description bar for more, because I'm gonna add Real Source's website. I think this brand is great, and sustainability is also a key factor for them, because they recycle 98% of the water used in our growing process back into the farm system. They also grow in above ground pools, so they don't disturb the earth with farming or fertilizer, and they're made in the USA, grown right in Florida. Their products are suitable for all age groups, all diets, and can be used daily. So check out the link down below for more. It'll be the first link that you see. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys would like to see more recipe videos from me, definitely let me know in the comment section, or let me know what other videos you'd like to see from me. But I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, bye!